hotel's right there. We just parked and we're walking. There it is.
He said just to tell you.
Okay, let's do a little room tour. We're at the Hotel Indigo Brisbane, and this is the door. Got a little mirror here. There's a couple of towels on a ladder, and then a little suitcase rack with a rack. That's the bedroom. Let's see. Oh, that's the shower room. It's a rain shower. Bath products. Trash can, towel. Toilet. And over here we have coffee and tea stuff. Little mini fridge with water and milk. Oh, a lock. Here we have the TV, and then here we have a little chair with a foldable desk. Oh, look, that's cute. They even have a magnifying mirror. And that's kind of cool. Outlets with USB and USB-C. Oh, hey, they gave us a little treat. As a platinum elite member, thank you for choosing to stay with us. And they have a cookie. What does this say? Right here we have the couch and our view and the bed. Oh, over here we have slippers and a bathrobe. What else do we have in here? What's this? It's an iron. We have a laundry bag. Oh, and a selection of coffee and tea.
The most important part here.
Oh, look at that teacup. It's so cute. So here's the bed. And the kettle and the cups. Brian's gonna get some coffee going for himself. I really like the outlets. They have USB and USB-C. At the hotel restaurant, and they got Teddy a cute little chopstick.
One thing to go to there. No.
Alright, we're about to check out of what's this place? Indigo.
Hotel Indigo.
What's how would you rate our stay here?
Oh, yeah. 6 or 8 out of 10.
2.8 out of 10?
Somewhere we didn't really do much here.
There's not much for amenities here.
Yeah, but they've got a nice little
But we're gonna go.
restaurant downstairs.
True. We did go to the restaurant. Oh, we're gonna check out right now. It's 4:45.